Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming fit and safety. Check the sidecar's bolt pattern against your frame and confirm wheelbase compatibility. Once confirmed, jack the motorcycle to a stable height and support it with stands so it won't tip. You now loosely mount the primary attachment plate to the motorcycle frame but do not torque. This lets you fine-tune alignment. Make sure to apply anti-seize to bolts to prevent galling. Next, measure for toe-in and ride height before adding secondary struts. You now fit the front and rear struts and thread bolts finger-tight so you can adjust geometry. Once all linkages are connected, set toe-in, usually about 3/8 to 1/2 inch, and confirm the sidecar wheel has appropriate camber. Then measure ride height relative to the motorcycle rear and check lateral load distribution. This affects handling and wear. Make incremental adjustments and remeasure after each change. When satisfied with alignment, progressively torque all mounting bolts to manufacturer specs using a calibrated torque wrench. You finish by torquing every fastener to the specified values and retorquing after the initial break-in ride. Next, perform a progressive test ride. Begin at low speed with tight turns, then try emergency braking and highway runs to validate stability. Make sure to check tire pressures and suspension per load before each test. If you feel a pull, wobble, or uneven tire wear, stop and remeasure toe-in and ride height, inspect all mounts for play, and verify wheel alignment before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.